What's the meaning of cough? Cough. Cough.
Cough. Cough. Coughing is a reflex action that helps to clear your airways of mucus and irritants such as dust or smoke. When you cough, your body suddenly expels air from your lungs at high speed, which forces the irritant out of your respiratory system. A cough can be caused by various factors, including allergies, infections, and lung diseases. It can also be a side effect of certain medications. While occasional coughing is normal, chronic coughing can indicate an underlying health issue and should be evaluated by a medical professional.